Hi humans, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we're going to be transforming ourselves into Mavis Dracula from Hotel Transylvania, one of my favorite movies. First things first, we're going to be taking a primer and just priming out our face, giving it a nice base for the foundation to adhere to, and smoothing out all our pores and blemishes and all that jazz. So now just taking my foundation that I use almost every day and just dotting it all around my face, and then going in with my beauty blender and blending that out. Just like a good house needs a great foundation to be built upon, a good makeup look needs a good foundation to be built upon as well. Now taking concealer of your choice, we're going to be putting that under our eyes, covering up those bags that I have, sadly. And then applying that on the bridge of the nose, the forehead, the cupid's bow, the chin, basically everywhere, just to cover up some stuff. Now we're just going to be taking the beauty blender again and blending that out just to give it a flawless finish and making sure the base is as smooth as possible. Now I'm going in with a face powder and a big fluffy brush and applying that everywhere, all over the face, just to set everything and make sure all that makeup stays in place and doesn't go anywhere. Now taking a bronzer, we are going to be warming up the face a tad, and we're going to be going in under the cheekbones just a little bit and blending that out with that brush. And then Mavis has a very small petite nose, so I really wanted to emphasize that with this look, so I was really chiseling out my nose to look more like hers using that bronzer and that brush, and also jamming out to the Greatest Showman soundtrack in the process while filming this look because it's great. Then I'm going in with BH Cosmetics highlighting palette with the color Strobe, which is this blinding light, as you can see. That is a blinding highlighter. Ooh, yes. Anyways, I'm just going to be applying that to the cheekbones and basically everywhere that I wanted to highlight. So I'm taking it on my finger and putting a little bit on my tip of my nose to give it a more button appearance, and down the bridge to make it seem more slimmer. Then I'm going in with black face paint and filling in my brows as I normally would, but I'm arching them like a little bit more to match Mavis's. She has a little arch more than mine, but for the most part those are my brows. Eyebrow action, always great. Then I'm going in with black eyeshadow and packing that on top of the lids just to make them a little more opaque. And then using NYX's Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, I'm going to color in my lids and then taking my finger and blend those out, just so that the eyeshadow in the next scene is going to have something to stick onto, and the pigmentation is going to be a whole lot better because of what we did. Now taking black eyeshadow from BH Cosmetics, I'm going to pack that all over the lid. It's like we're going to a heavy metal concert right now. I'm just going to blend that out on the upper lid and the below the lash line using a small fluffy brush, and really give myself some deep raccoon eyes, but I'm okay with it. It's alright. Now taking that highlighter, I'm just going to pop that into my inner corner just to brighten their eyes up a little bit more. And then taking Major Look's Night Owl eyeliner, and I'm going to be lining my eyes with a simple winged liner by starting in the inner corner and working my way out and forming a little triangle, filling that in. And then taking that same white eye pencil, blah blah blah, I'm going to be filling in my waterline to make my eyes seem a little bit bigger. And then taking a kohl pencil eyeliner, I'm going to be filling in my inner corner just to make it seem a little bit more sharp, and then making under my waterline a little bit more darker. I can't talk today apparently. Anyways, here we have me waiting hours and hours, it seems, for my eyelash glue to get a little tacky. I am very impatient. Fun fact. So now I'm just going to finagle with my lash to get it in the right spot and make sure everything's looking good. And I finally have them set in place. And then off camera I finished the other eye. And now I'm just going to be going back to the brows and flicking the inner corners up a little bit like Mavis has. She has very expressive eyebrows and I wanted to like emphasize on mine a little more. And now I'm just going to be using concealer to cancel out my lip color and so that I can go on and draw new lips. Mavis has very thin lips. Mine are already thin, but I wanted to make them even more thin. So, especially with that bottom lip. So now I'm just drawing on new ones. And then I'm going to be using mascara and applying that like I normally would, but mainly focusing on the bottom lashes because I wanted them to seem a little more on the chunky side and like have them have a little more volume. And there's the finished makeup. So now I'm just going to be taking my hair back and putting it into a low bun, and that sad little piece of hair that's dangling there because I forgot about it. It's really aggravating me. Anyways, now I'm just going to be taking a wig cap and putting that on and tucking all my bangs, the little baby hairs, the little flyaways, just tucking all those into my wig cap. And popping the wig on, and finally, transformation has occurred. Here, I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I had a lot of fun creating it. It's been a while since I filmed a video, so this is really fun. I hope you guys really liked it, and yeah, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, big thumbs up for me, yeah, and subscribe down below, that'd be awesome. And if you have any more suggestions you want to see, leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. And yeah, so I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye!